Hi everyone, welcome to new updates of Odoo 18.1. In today's video, we will discuss about the distribution of tickets by labels, and let's move on to the help desk module. So we can easily assign the tags for the tickets. As you just move on to the tickets, here you can find all the tickets, and if you want to create a new ticket, simply click on new over here, and let's provide the name of the ticket, which is for not for page not found on homepage. And you can just save this ticket, and you can see the help desk team. If you want to change the team, you can select it from here. Let's say IT support auto assignment by tags, and I'm going to assign this to Michelle admin, and you can also set the priority. And this is how we can just manage or dispatch a ticket based on the tags. So it belongs to website, and you can assign the tags or labels over here, and this is one of the new feature in Odoo 18.1. So that's how we just deal with the distribution of tickets by labels. And if you want Odoo customizations or Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. As always, stay awesome, and thank you for watching the video.